This 2017 Jayco Eagle HT 27.5 RLTS Eagle is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33908 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.